Alright, in the previous step we learned how we can use quaternions in Unity and how we can uh, rotate an object with using quaternion identity or some other parameters. In this step, I want to talk about a new topic in C Sharp. Let's come back to our dear Visual Studio. Um, as far as we mentioned in the past, we have, for example, float x, or we have integer y, or I don't know, a string name, or game object. Okay, these variables are considering numbers, strings, I don't know, objects, components, or anything else. But here I'm coming with a new kind of variable. Let's imagine we have public void show name. Here we have a string name and print name, right? And another function we have, I duplicate this part, show, I don't know, family, right? And I say family. That's it. I coming today with a new topic in C Sharp. How we can put these functions inside a variable and call a function with those variables, not by calling the name of the function. The structure and the name of this solution is Delegate. Sorry guys. Delegate void, I call it my delegate, okay, and it's supposed to be my delegate of one of these guys, show name or show family. So the local parameters of these functions are a string. So I will say a string txt, whatever we want. Okay, and now I want to create a variable of this new type of variable. A variable of this will be my delegate, I don't know, test delegate. Okay, in the void start, inside test delegate, we can put show name. Okay, and just exactly it is look like a variable. It is an integer and it is a number, but here it is a function variable and it is the value of that variable, you know. And let's call this function in this way. It is gonna be AppleFast. And also inside the same test delegate, we can put show family at this time and call test delegate with a new parameter, but at this time it's gonna launch this function, this logic actually. Now 10. That's it. Let's come back to the Unity. And do something cool. Sorry guys, I forgot to add this function to the main camera or other objects. Part 36, okay, and take a look at the console. Now, that's it. It is AppleFast and it is Tanha. This part 7, line 17 and line 14. Look at this. Line 17 and line 14. Excellent. You know, we can call any function we want by just replacement of the value of this test delegate one by one. No need to call this function line by line. That's it. Just calling this function. But I have a new solution for that as well. So we don't need to say just read this guy, just read this guy, just read another line if we have, for example, three functions. Let's say it is without local variable and it is as well. So I will say Abulfaz and also Tanha, okay? And now I can remove from this part as well. And now it will be something like this. But I have a new solution to do something cool. Instead of this line and this line, we can say let's plus equal and plus equal of this one. Let's add show name to the test delegate and also show family to the test delegate. This new solution has a name, honestly, and the name of this solution is multicast delegate. You know, I will say let's change the name of it, and I will say multicast delegate to be able to understand what we are talking about. The multicast delegate gives us this ability, to add any function we want at the same time and call all of them in one line. Look at this. Just this. Let's come back to the Unity editor and test this solution. Okay. That's it. Look at this. Both functions have been done exactly at the same time. 26, 26. It is awesome. So we can call a function at two functions or even several functions. For example, something like this. Show name 1, 1, and 2, 2. It is honey and I don't know, Tom, right? Show name and show family, and also again it is 2 and 2. Let's come back to Unity. We will call 4 functions at the same time in just one line. Look at this. 22nd, 20, 20, 20. 4 functions have been launched in one time. What is the use case of this technology? Imagine we already put these functions inside multicast delegate variable. Now I can cut this part here. In the void start, we already fit the multicast delegate with these functions, okay? Now I can say in the void update, I will say if input.get key down key code dot space. Oh, sorry, space. God damn it. Now, at this line, whenever I press space, I will call these functions in one line. No need to call without delegate. I have to say, for example, something like this: show name 1, show name 2, show family 1, and show family 2. Imagine it will be something like this. And also they launch after each other, one by one, not at the same time. What matter is, we need to call them, or a list of functions, maybe 20 or I don't know, many functions every time. But with multicast delegate, we just need to call one line. That's it. Let's come back to the Unity again and test this solution. Ready? Okay, now I press space. Look at this. Exactly at the same time. Again. 2 times, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very easy. Okay? Even if we don't want to do something overall, for example, if I can do something cool. If I press F, okay, let's remove family 1 from our list. This is easy. Just minus equals. After I press F, it removes show family 1 from the multicast delegate. After that, if I press space, it will print Abulfaz, Honey, and Tom without Tanha. Let's test. Okay, first I press space. We have Abulfaz, Tanha, Honey, and Tom. And remove. I press F and now press space. Look at this. Abulfaz, Honey, Tom. This is exactly what we wanted from the beginning. We can call this function anytime. We can add any variable at any time. We can remove any variable at any time. That's it. Okay, let's go to the next step.